Alright, here's a video on a 2001 F-250 Super Duty, 135,000 miles. Other than that hood, little paint action over here, it is extremely nice. Drives very well. Tires are like new. Air's ice cold. Got all this storage, nice utility on it. Yeah, like I said, it drove good and all that. Yep, definitely does. What else? That's about it. Nothing really to say about it. It's strong runner. Ran great. Ice cold air. New tires. Look at this interior. Beautiful. No carpet. You get it all dirty and just hose it out. But yeah, it drove really well. There was the last service done. Wow, full tank of fuel. Unbelievable. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice utility truck, this would definitely be the one. Turnkey, put your tools in it and go. Any questions, let us know. Otherwise, happy bidding and good luck.